Are you looking for the best hole saw kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hole saw kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Hole Saw Set HYCHIKA. The kit comes with 19 pieces among them, which are 13 saw holes in different sizes, 2 drill bits, 2 mandrels, an installation plate, and a hex key to meet all your needs. The heat-treated carbon steel construction prevents it from rusting and corrosion to enhance an extended use period. The ultra-sharp serrations, on the other hand, provide high performance for fast and clean cutting. You can comfortably use the kit to cut different surfaces, including PVC board, softwood, plywood, plasterboard, plastic, depending on your needs. It comes with a carry case where you can put all the accessories for efficient storage and transport. At number 4, COMOWARE Hole Saw Kit for wood. The carbon steel construction on this hole saw kit ensures an extended use period. It has a black oxidation treatment on the surface, which protects it from corrosion and rusting to ensure retention of the original look. The carbon steel teeth are, on the other hand, accurate and precise to provide you with smooth, clean, and fast cutting. The kit is perfect for household and DIY needs when you need to do some repair and maintenance. It comes with all the pieces you require for efficient cutting to meet all your needs with a maximum cutting depth of 25 mm. The hole saw kit holder ensures the perfect organization of the pieces for easier retrieval and prevents them from loss. At number 3, Hole Saw Set Jellas. The 19 pieces in this hole saw kit ensures that it meets all your needs to perfection. It includes 13 pieces of saw blades in different sizes, 2 mandrels pieces, a hex key, and an installation plate. It has a blackening heat-treated carbon steel construction, which ensures an extended use period. It is also proof of rust and corrosion, which ensures that it retains its original shape. The blade is upgraded to have ultra-sharp serrations, which ensure a fast and clean cutting to save on time and energy. Therefore, you can use it to drill different surfaces, including softwood, thin PVC, plasterboard, and plastic plate, depending on your needs. It has wide compatibility as you can use it with any standard drill. At number 2, Bosch Hole Saw Kit HB25M. You can use the hole saw kit with a wide range of functions on either metal or wood to meet your drilling needs. It works perfectly with the quick change arbors and the standards, making it convenient and reliable. It provides precise and fast cutting to save on your time and energy with the alternating teeth sizes. You can smoothly operate without wobbling as the hole saw kit comes with a positive lock. The reinforced shoulder, on the other hand, ensures added strength and extends its life. It has a durable 8% cobalt alloy, which provides an extended use period due to rusting and heat resistance. You have all you require for a perfect operation with this kit since it has 25 different pieces to meet all your needs. At number 1, Milwaukee 49224185 Hole Saw Kit. It is effortless and easy to use the hole saw kit, which saves on time and energy while producing smooth and clean results. It also has a durable construction, which ensures an extended use period. On the other hand, the ice-hardening design adds its life for up to 50%, making it convenient and reliable. The teeth are sharp and have a matrix 2 bimetal construction, which enhances their efficiency. It also ensures fast cutting with the help of the positive rake angle. The teeth do not experience great stress as the radius toothback reduces it. It is easy to remove the chip with the help of functional slot geometry and the deeper gullets. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.